All right, just a quick disclosure. Well, disclaimer. And yeah, I'm actually just trading. This is a demo account, really, so don't take this as trading advice for your real account. But anyway, it's 5 p.m. The BullRush 5 p.m. competition just started, and yeah, I guess I'm just gonna sell for this low here. I've also because I did well in the 1 hourly competition yesterday. I got into what's this? I got into the daily competition because they've got hourly competitions every day, right? So it's 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. South African Standard Time, and if you do well in one of those, you get into the daily competitions, which is from 11 to 11 p.m. So yeah, I got into one of those. I wasn't doing so well. Tricky morning. I was actually I was trading currencies, and so at 3 p.m. I was just focused on this other account. Yeah, I'll probably share screenshots of that eventually and whatnot, and that went well. But then I realized, yeah, let me just forget about currencies and focus on US 30. But then I came with a very small lot size here because I'm looking to make 750 and then maybe try make 1.5 or whatever. Yeah, there's still like 5 hours left. But anyway, back to the current competition. Guess I'm gonna wait for what, quarter past? We'll probably get a candle at quarter past, and then I'll shoot from there to here. I guess one could have a stop loss over there. I would not risk more than 2%. So if that's what I mean, I don't know what the candle's gonna be, but let's just say it's here. If you're coming in there, that's what you're risking. So 1, 2, 3. Your risk to reward being 1:3. You're out. So you risk 2%, you make 6%. Come back tomorrow maybe or whatever. But yeah, I guess we're just gonna wait. Not too sure what this is looking like on the social. It's really the first stream. Couldn't really set up the first stream quick enough earlier, and the PC was kind of lagging. It's holding up alright for now. So yeah, I guess we're gonna wait. The worst thing that could happen is that it just doesn't do what I said a few minutes ago, and it just carries on tanking. And then I guess I wouldn't really chase it, so to speak. In fact, I am chasing it, but they've got the competitions at 3, so that's when I can engage. Then they've got it at 5, that's when I can engage. But ideally, you want to come in above the yellow line, which is New York opening time. And yeah, it's 6 a.m., but I've got it's 4 because, yeah, MetaTrader is just behind. But enough yapping. I wish I had some music, but I'll sort all of that out. Let me see what the chat looks like. In fact, I'm not even sure if it's picking the audio up, but I am live and it's recording, so I'll just tweak it. If anything, if there's no audio being picked up, I will have I'll have a trade to play back, so to speak. But anyway, I guess we sit and wait. Yeah, I should probably go to YouTube on my phone and see if I can hear myself actually. But anyway, there's probably no one on this stream, and that's alright. It's the first one. Mic check 1 2. Wait. Yeah, yo. Oh yeah, it's actually picking up, so that's good. All I gotta add is like a layer for music next time or whatever. But we're good. Sorry about that. Plus, these here just basically become a magnet for price. Yeah, just become, yeah. Well, that's one thing I learned from ICT. I learned a lot. A lot of this is literally just mostly ICT, and that's why I'm never gonna try mentor anyone or try act like I know better. There's nothing I can teach you that I haven't learned from Michael Huddleston, except my experience, etc. My own strategy, which is actually the daily. But I've had to tweak my day trading because what I'm saying, we got to speed up those millions. But yeah, the daily is awesome because it just allows you to live your life, so to speak. You don't have to sit there in front of the computer screen all day. You know, and that's what we want, right? That time freedom. Also, I could actually not just well, as I said earlier, what the plan is that as soon as the next candle forms at quarter past, as soon as it goes above that high, this green candle's high, which would be the previous candle, I can sell. But then I'm thinking I could wait for it to retrace a bit deeper, and that's where the fib comes into play. And this is kind of what I do in the daily too, except it takes a bit longer to play out and all of that. So that's where you'd want to get in. As soon as it retraces back there, that's where you get in. Highest risk percentage for me would be 2%, lowest 0.25. And what I usually do is, if I'm going to risk 2% and I lose, I'll halve the percentage and risk 1. And if I lose, that is risk 0.5. And maybe come back tomorrow because that's three trades wrong, right? You're clearly out of sync. And then come back the next day and risk 0.25 until you build it up to start risking, the larger amount again. But hopefully you don't go into drawdown. You risk 2%, you make 6, risk another 2, make just above that. Now you're on 12 or whatever. You get the point. Oh yeah. Also, this would have been on my TED on trading channel, but I've got to verify my phone number, so that's on hold. That's why I'm actually just streaming on my personal YouTube channel. But honestly, I should probably touch on that. That's what my YouTube channel is for. It's supposed my main YouTube channel. It's just supposed to be everything I like. Well, not just nonsense. It kind of has to be strategic. But enough of that. What I'm trying to say is that the whole point is that on my main channel, I'm gonna have builds I'm working on Bolt, Lovable, whatever, etc. And yeah, I don't know, maybe videos on digital marketing. Yeah, I don't know, SEO, yada yada yada, affiliate marketing, all of that. And then the verticals would be, TED on trading. That's its own channel, and all I ever do on that channel is just trading content. But yeah, you get the point. I mean, quite frankly, I can't really see, but I'm probably talking to myself anyway. So, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah. Also, I'm just gonna put this off. I'll take it off. That is. Also, I realized having the fib on there. Oh boy, it are going without me. Having the fib on there. Kinda gives you a visual bias that might not even be there. Nah, I'm yapping honestly. But yeah, but what I'm trying to say that you'll have the fib there and you'll just be like, yeah, it's gotta get to that level. Oh, it's gonna get. Oh, now it's gonna. Nah, I don't know. It doesn't really work like that. Okay, so it's tanking without me. And initially, the trade from 3 p.m. that I took was here at 50%. So I took the fib, put it there. 50% I took that, but it came down a bit to 61. Then went up. Uh, I didn't think it was gonna come back down again, but it looks like this will be the move for a while, and then maybe come back up. So looking at this on the 1 minute, it might not want to come above there. So maybe I'll just sell from here instead. Yeah. And usually if it's really looking to start making a move, it's gonna leave that empty, for example. But enough of that. People want to go on about fair value gap, for example. But enough of that. People want to, etc. Hey man, if anything, knowledge or whatever I've learned, yeah, this is what it's led to, man. And, most of it's ICT. I tried a bit of no nonsense Forex initially, didn't really click, and then yeah, ICT pulled the wool off my eyes. This is tricky. This is very tricky. I'm pretty sure it's still heading for that. I just didn't think that it was gonna tank without? Oh boy, that's the thing about the fair value gaps. You're always expecting it to come up above it and then tank. No, I could have just sold from the get go, but let's see. We're 10 minutes in. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Tricky. Oh boy. Oh, this could have been like a grand. Hmm. Mm. Yeah. Could have just did see. Oh man. Could have just sold from what? Close to halfway of this wick. Yeah, I might. Yeah, this one's probably not gonna go so well. I'm not gonna lie. But that's okay. Still I got a what entry to another daily satellite to weekly, and that is tomorrow. This one's today's one, and yeah, it's not looking so good. But anyway. I mean, one could buy, but do I really wanna? That's just standing in front of a moving train. All right, so maybe I can get a little. Also, yeah. As soon as it gets into here, just to see this. There. Oh boy. Well, to be honest, I might regret this because they might want to retrace back up to where I was talking about, or not. I think I'm just gonna almost So where would as it starts going back up again? Guess I'll risk 2 on this. I could just risk 250. So I'm gonna risk 2K. I could risk $250 instead, but that just requires a whole lot of scalping. I'm not about to do that. I'm gonna risk 250 on the way down, and if that doesn't work, I'll probably buy it or wait for it to get you and then sell. Or if it carries on going up, maybe close here and then buy if there's a buy signal. Either way, let's see how it goes. We're almost 15 minutes into the hour, so 45 minutes. Yeah, it looks like it's probably just gonna start going. No, I think it should tank. Yeah, but that's I wouldn't want to be getting in there. It's just like I said, the competition's at 5, so I'm trying to engage, right? This is where you wanna. Oh yeah, this is Umashai, by the way, the 714 method. I'm just laughing at how sometimes you just need like look there's no need to switch strategies, right? But this has been interesting, the 714 method. I'm not saying that's what I traded, to be honest. As you can see, if it wasn't there, to be honest, it does help. I'm not gonna lie, because what he says is that if it goes up during that hour 1 to 2, then expect it to go down, right? And that's what it did. 7. And usually, yeah, I'd have to. There's no need to touch on that. He's got his own channel. Yeah, you guys can go learn from Umashai for free. Uh, but yeah, I just think adding it to my arsenal has been very beneficial. I was just thinking about going on about Umashai, but I don't think that's what I'm trying to do on this channel. Oh, there we go. Caught offside. Or not. I mean, it would be great if it keeps tanking. Jeez. Maybe a third large candle taking out this low. But it might just tank and then come back up and carry on tanking. Yeah, hopefully this gets to 7. I wonder what it's on. 750. Close it up and then try risk. Because I'm risking 250 there. Then try risk 500, I think, for 1.5. And see. I don't even know if I'm allowed to show you guys the leaderboard and all of that. But I'd have to talk to BullRush. I was going to show you that hopefully with the time that's left, and this is stuck. I should probably click on it just to make sure I'm not like, oh boy, never mind. This is the same trade. What's going on? I just realized that this was such a waste of a trade. I could have came with a larger lot size, but you know what? No. I was about to put a TP here and close it out, cause yeah, US30 is US30. Laptop's lagging. Oh, PC. Nah, let's leave that out. But this is not gonna work, so I'm not sure. Maybe after, I'm thinking after it takes this out, I close and then wait for a move up, just like it did yesterday, right? And that's where I'll come through with the heavy lot size. If I come through with the heavy lot size, let's see. Oh, never mind. This is 825. Yeah, jeez, man. Cause there's a leaderboard, right? Top four get entry to. I think they win they win prop accounts actually, like 10K accounts or whatnot. So if I could finesse that one before, I don't know how much time is left. That would be awesome. But it's okay. I got another one coming tomorrow. It's like I'm gonna have a lot of these coming now. But also that's kind of why I've started streaming, because I'm just like, okay, I guess the day trading is sorted. Because this, yeah. My past performance, with like funded next and with the competitions, of course, and where I won a challenge for performing well, etc. Even got one with TFT, the funded trader. That was a different strategy. Same understanding, obviously, just a different time frame, basically. Waiting for a retracement on the fib, optimal entry, pew. Anyway, look at that. If this is a K, if I came through with 33K earlier, this would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, man. I would have been up there on that leaderboard. And that's why I'm saying that as soon as it comes down here on the other account, that daily account, because this is just an hourly competition, I'm going to see if I can get a buy. But yeah, maybe get a buy here too and come out over there. But I don't know. It might just, like I said earlier, come down and then let's see the hourly. In fact, it looked like it was tanking on the hourly for sure. Such terrible entries. They better not go against me. I wish I could hide these lines, but yeah, I guess we're tanking. Not too sure how far we're gonna go down. I'm guessing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Wonder Friday's gonna, probably not. We'll see. Anyway, it's not looking good. $200. Oh, never mind. I mean, yeah, I get it. They're gonna tell you don't look at the money, etc. Yo, I'm just saying, as long as you know yourself, well, that's probably not the best way to put it. You gotta adapt to the challenge. That's the best way to put it. If it's a hourly competition, do what you gotta do. If it's a prop firm account, you're not trying to lose, then you're not gonna do anything stupid. You're not gonna do anything stupid. Yeah, looking at how slow it's moving. If it actually does go all the way down here without taking me out, I guess I'm risking 2K anyway, right? Without going against me too much, then I'll probably come out and actually buy right there. I just don't. I'm not confident with. I'm not confident of that with that buy. That is. Uh oh. Uh oh. Might just actually start going up before it. we did see. Maybe it's gonna just go above that one on the 5 and then 10. Yeah, hey, I had to take a call quickly. If that wasn't muted, that's a funny one, but I guess I'm gonna check later. I'm pretty sure it was muted though. But anyway. Wow. Wow. This would have been like, I don't even know, but it's whatever, man. Same thing tomorrow, ain't it? It don't stop. Yeah, that might just be the end of that movement down. For now. Yeah, I, I've never met a man so attached to demo funds, but man, this would have been like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4K. I mean, can I show you? The guy who's fourth is like what? I was on 5%, so you know, making 5K now would have brought me back in the game somehow. And then, but it's whatever. We do better tomorrow. Probably not gonna waste my time with Forex tomorrow, especially because I took up my morning. So you know, just wait for 3:30ish, or just yeah, you guys get the point. And then obviously just US 30. Yeah. Oh, Nas 100. Oh, the S&P. Oh, gold, I guess. But yeah. Well, no. Guess I'll just be rocking with the US 30 for now. Looks like it's the most traded on BullRush anyway. If it could just stay below this, yeah. But either way, man, I don't think I want to. Hey, am I gonna chase it on the way up? Why would it turn? Guess it's tired, huh? Mm, I want to check the leaderboard, but yeah, I'm gonna have to check with BullRush. Check if I'm allowed to do that. I'm gonna have to send them an email. Check if I'm allowed to check the leaderboard during the excuse me, during the competitions. Mm. Yeah, looks like it's gonna go up a little. Even if it does, I'm hoping it just goes up a bit and then carries on for that low. Because it's come so far already, right? But you definitely don't want to be. I mean, never mind. I didn't say you don't want to be buying there, but hey, I mean, it's setting so low at at a premium. You want to be buying. Oof. Just thinking of hopping out of this one, honestly. Right there. Hmm. Nah. Let me just stick to the buyers. Get clean to 2K. Because I could have took the 5, bought, and went up with it. Especially because I did say you want to be buying that low, right? Not sure if I'm audible, honestly. Sorry about that. Kind of far from the mic. But it's whatever. It's the first stream, so we'll get these Grammy level ready soon. Hey, and that's the end of it. That's what I was looking for there. Based on this, yeah. The fact that it didn't, yeah, I was looking to sell there. So I'm hoping that, it doesn't go higher than that. And then it starts tanking. Oh, higher than this. Which is probably that. Anyway. Looking tricky. Hmm. Yeah, that's on me. That's on me. Hmm. Do you think it might still want to go up there before tanking, or guess we're not going for that? Eight. I guess I guess if I check the leaderboard, I would try to adjust my strategy or aggression or whatever. But I gotta check with BullRush, check if I'm allowed to show the leader. I know I've already mentioned it, but I just thought I might as well do it again. Cause yeah, I'm not trying to be floating at these losses anymore. Looking at the time, Ish. Yeah, and that pretty much looks like a reversal for now. Probably going for up there. Should I risk a K and then try and make 3? Oh boy. Alright. Well, let's hope we get that 3, and I'm hoping that is this before the end of the hour. Would that be 3? Maybe. I don't know. Might as well come out of this one, and then I'll try sell it later with more, with a heavier lot size. Yeah, it's been a tricky morning. Anyway, should have just took that 5 right there, and then bought. Like I had mentioned, I mean, you can go back. But anyway. Yeah, getting a 3K would be the best thing to happen. But is that gonna happen though? I don't think so. Okay, maybe it might just happen. Or just go up there and then tank. Let's see. Yeah, this one's also just such a. It's like chasing it. Oh, jeez, man. That's crazy. Looks like OBS had disconnected. Oh, man. Oh, well. Next thing you know, that's it. It's like, nah. We're going back down, buddy. What you think this is? Let's see. That's 1, 2, 3. And then he just tanks. Oh man, should have just sold, man. As soon as it. Anyway. 3K, man. 3K. That's all the man needs right now. Obviously, want to see it go above this. Yeah, it might just get tricky. Might just reject off of here, but I'm hoping it pushes up. I guess, what you do is move your stop loss here if you want in a real account. I'm kidding. That's if you're not trying to take an L after it starts making a move. What can I say? Okay, so guess we're halfway to that 3K. Could have got another 1.7 on the way down, right? But hey, we live and learn. Might not even go above here, but let's see. There's still time. Oh man, should I? Nah. I'm gonna wait for the sell on this one, I guess. Just don't know if it's gonna hold. It should, yeah. Since it's leaving these here, hoping it comes back for it later. So we'll leave this one. Come on, don't be tired now. Yeah, hopefully it comes down to this here and then bounces off it. See? Rejecting. Could that be a trade? Maybe. Maybe that's the end of the upward movement. But let's see. And that's why that stop loss here would be good protection. But what is that? Peanuts. I'm kidding. Kind of want to see exactly. Push up there. Just so I know we're still on the way up. Oof. Come on. That next candle, that quarter two, might just go all the way to the TP. I don't see it tanking, looking at the formation. Yeah, also these live streams might just make me trade better just because it's like, oh, well, yeah, people are watching it. You don't mess it up. You loser. I'm kidding. Hey. Out the way, football head. Tricky. So it might just... What's up? Oh, so this is the first presented fair value gap, I'd like to think. So I could just come in here on the next account, stop loss there. There's no news, so I don't expect it to come back all the way up there or whatever. But push up now, push up, push up, push up. Honestly, there's no point being greedy. If it goes up there, I could take it. I would like. I'm not sure if I'm audible. I'm sorry, because I move away to look at the screen like I am now, and then I get back to try to talk into the mic. That's why the audio might just go up and down. But what I'm trying to say is that if it actually just, I'd like 3K, but if it just gets there, that's good enough. And I'm hoping that, you know, that 1 point, I don't know what it's going to be if I close it. I'd have to do the maths. But I'm hoping that I get another shot at I wonder how that would work, actually, because I've never won 2 of these hourly competitions, because there's only 1 daily competition. What happens when I... Never mind. Yeah, I thinking out loud on that one. But yeah, but I'm just wondering what would happen, you know? I can't get access to 2 daily competitions, or maybe they do, because they've got different names. The one's XP Pro, and the other one's just Pro or something like that. I don't know, man. I just started finding my swing with BullRush. But yeah, man, that's what I've been doing for a while, just participating in what's this? Paid free competitions, because I can't really afford any paid competitions. I mean, I've tried in the past, you know, with previous jobs, etc. But anyway, just glad it's finally working out, I guess. Hey, this next one. Wonder what's gonna happen with this next candle. Yeah, I think it's still gonna tank, attacking here and here. So, oh yeah, let's bring the fib out real quick. Yeah. Let's see, 3K. Can I get a 3K so I can hop onto another account? Could I sell this? Sell it and clean myself out, of course. Tell you, I really want to go check the leaderboard, but I just don't, you know. Alright, let's take that 3K. Let's see. I am. Ooh. What do you mean? Okay, let's hope that one works out. Whatever. Could have went to check the leaderboard, because this might be good enough. But just in case it's not. Oh, it might just shoot up from here. Looking at this formation, I'm standing right in front of a moving train. Maybe I'll risk 250 and call it. Huh. Come on. Oh, yeah, I think I'm just gonna call it, man. Could buy it, right? There's still time, yeah, let's buy this thing. Yeah, let's buy it. Might just be a tag, I don't know. I just don't want to clean myself out. I'm so tempted to check the leaderboard. What's happening here? Oh, 250 as well. Oh man. Hold up! I should have risked 1 and not 250, cause I was up 3K. Yeah. Oh man. I want to check the leaderboard just so I know if I need to, you know, execute again. But like I said, I'm gonna have to send them an email, ask them if I'm allowed to do that during the competitions. So yeah, I should have not risked $250. I should have risked a K, cause I might as well execute, man. All right. Oh, this is gonna be gnarly. Ooh, Might just still shoot up though, but hey. This must be some glitch. Hey! What just happened? Could not be closed, whatever, man. Okay, it doesn't look like it's trying to tank though. Oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to carry on going up. Oh yeah, exactly. That's what I told you. That's what I thought. I'm trying to buy this thing. Let's go in with the impulse trading. Oh, of course. Wait a minute. Ooh, so what's going on here? Is this a buy or a sell? Oh my shit. Let's see. Yeah, go in with that buy. Hope you. Let's go in with the impulse trading, innit? Uh-oh. I mean, looks like the bias is still, so I really don't know what nonsense I'm doing. Yeah, see, this is how you clean your wins out. This is exactly how you clean your wins out. Ooh. It's pulling at me. It's tugging at me. What's going on here? I guess there's still time. Yeah, I'm hoping that's it. I'm hoping we're not getting any higher than these two here. Oh man, PC's lagging. I mean, this is not a proper risk to reward ratio, so especially, well, given that this is a daily competition, I can stretch that out a little. I'm hoping it carries on. 2, 3. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm gonna risk whatever's left. Yeah, it's like 1.2 maybe. What's going on here? Am I really selling? I think I'm trying to buy this thing, but yeah, let's see. It's probably not gonna get to here. So what do we do? I'm thinking, man, there goes my wins. I'm gonna check the leaderboard afterwards, really, and see how it went. But if I checked it and realized that I'm top 10, I really wasn't gonna place any more trades. But that's that. And I feel like I've touched on that way too many times now. Yeah, feelings. Wow. Oh boy. Yeah, looks like it's still carrying on up. Might just tank a little. Hey man, come back better tomorrow at 5 p.m. But at least at 3 p.m. went alright. I mean, I placed 9th and not what's this, top 3 or whatever. But yeah, man, better than yesterday. Yesterday was 10th at 3 p.m. Yeah. Anyway, just thinking about how I, if I could, yeah. I don't want to keep saying the same thing over and over again, really. But I could have avoided these losses. All I'm trying to say. Did I try to buy this thing? Hey. Yeah, maybe another K. But so there's 10 minutes left of this hourly competition. I could actually just exit there maybe, or here, because it might not go this low at all. Might just shoot up now, really, could not be closed. What happened? Did I clean myself out? Of course not. Yeah, well, just thinking of buying it, but I guess yeah, we might want to retrace or just take that and then carry on. I guess we'll just observe it. I'll take this 1.6, man. Highly doubt I'm gonna be top 10, but yeah. At least if I, I'm just gonna mention it one more time. But at least if I can, if I'm able to check the leaderboard, I'll know. You know, should I execute again or should I just relax? But yeah, I'm not even sure if anybody. I don't have enough screen real estate, but I'm not sure if anyone tapped in. But it should grow. It should grow. I've got plans. I got plans for it. Working on a site and all of that. Just yeah, man. Hoping to build a community and just be transparent, as you guys can see. You know, I'm not gonna pretend I'm a guru or a know-it-all. Because let's be honest, what people need to realize is that everybody who can trade well didn't always know how to trade well. Just because they know how to trade well now, they think you get the point. So, hey man, and even so, I know that I'm still learning and I still have room for improvement, etc. Yeah, you know. So I'm just hoping to build a community of like-minded people, and yeah, man, let's build, grow, progress, and the rest can carry on with their little circus. I think that's it. It's gonna chill there until the end of the hour, really, and then maybe what? I doubt it's gonna come into here and then carry on. Maybe just carry on tanking. Yep. Yeah, that's it, man. And remember, man, just one more time, I'm gonna leave the disclaimer there. That was demo trading, of course. The BullRush competitions. I think I've got a link to the BullRush competitions in the description of this video, but maybe I'll add it I'll add in the comments, I suppose, of the video that will be live. Will be up after the live. Oh man. Anyway, also I think it's crazy. I was telling my little brother, I think it's crazy just how much this can affect your mood. All right, so. Sorry, I just taken it back. I think what I'm gonna do, because that's over, right? I'm hoping it tanks and we go all the way there, and then I'm progressing to other stages. But anyway, might just day trade this, or did I just say day trade it? I might just scalp this, but there might not be a need. So I was gonna scalp it for the few hours that are left. But I'm hoping this plays out. But yeah, man. This has been great. I'm sorry, I just got so much on my mind. This has been awesome, and yeah, man, I'm excited to see this grow. So community of mine. Well, take it back, not mine, but just being around like-minded people, man. You know, like I've got nothing against bots, etc. But I don't know. Maybe I think exceptional traders outperform bots. Unless you got like a high frequency computer or whatever, a quantum computer at home. Jokes. Either way, man. Everybody just do what they gotta do, how they want to do it. Yeah. Smoke is too big for your ego, really, but it's been great. Signing out.